Welcome back to Morgborg Tech. This is a quick unboxing of a phone that I bought off of eBay a few months ago. This cost me about $5. This is an LG AX4270 on Alltel, if you can't tell from that model number. This is a phone that I got from a seller that I've bought quite a few phones from. He actually stopped selling phones for a while, but this is one of the ones that I bought when he started selling phones again. So, let's get into it. I've got shipping information on the other side. So here's the phone. As you can see, it's in fairly good shape. It's got a few scuffs, but not bad, honestly. Rubber's held up pretty good. This phone probably needs a little cleaning though. So let's see if it's got any power. Yes, it does. There we go. So that's a quick unboxing of an LG AX4270 for Alltel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.